Good morning to all of you. Dear student, last lecture we discussed about new chapter agriculture. Agriculture is the most important industry in India. There are 70% people depend on agriculture. 70% people work in agriculture and agriculture related business. India, there is a two season. As far as concerned in agriculture development, there are two seasons in India. One is Kharif season and second is Rabi season. We discussed in last lecture. There are two types of crop. Student, there are two types of crop. Number one, food crop and second number, cash crop. Food crop means those crop we are eating. For example, rice, wheat, millet. It is called as food crop. And cash crop means these crop only business sell on the market. It is called as cash crop. For example, sugarcane, cotton, jute, oilseed, tea, coffee, etc. Last point we discussed cash crop, sugarcane. Today we discuss new point cotton. Cotton is a cash crop. India is among the leading producer of cotton in the world. It grows well in the black soil of the Malwa Plateau. Gujarat and Maharashtra are the chief cotton producing states of India. Cotton is also growing in Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Student, cotton is a most important crop in India. Because ratio of the population and dress and wear cloth material is most important role. So the raw material, cotton crop is a raw material of the cotton industry. Cotton means कापूस. ये एग्रीकल्चर में डेवलप होते हैं ये क्रॉप. इनका जो रॉ मटेरियल है वो इंडस्ट्री में जाता है. इंडस्ट्री में प्रोसेस होती है. ये प्रोसेसिंग के बाद हमें क्लॉथ डेवलप होते हैं मतलब कपड़े. करेक्ट. So the cotton is the most important cash crop in overall India. Black soil and alluvial soil. Black soil located in the peninsular plateau region. There are three plateaus in India. Chota Nagpur plateau, Deccan plateau, Malwa plateau. Deccan plateau and Malwa plateau. These areas are very black soil. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. These states are the leading producer of cotton. But nowadays, Punjab and Haryana, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, these states are developed in the crop of cotton. Understood? Yes. Next, tea and coffee. Next crop, tea and coffee. Tea is a plantation crop. It is a produce in tea gardens of Assam and Darjeeling, in Bengal and the Nilgiri hills in the Tamil Nadu. Coffee and cocoa are the produce in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Tea and coffee. Student, tea coffee, this crop is also called B average crop. India is a leading producer, leading export. Tea and coffee is very famous in Assam, Darjeeling and West Bengal and Nilgiri hills, Nilgiri mountain. टी और कॉफी हमारे भारत का इम्पोर्टेंट क्रॉप है. भारत पूरे वर्ल्ड में, विश्व में टी कॉफी के बारे में फेमस है बहुत. हमारे यहाँ आसाम में नीलगिरी माउंटेन पे, तमिलनाडु का कुछ पार्ट, वेस्ट बंगाल का कुछ पार्ट, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे फार्म है टी और कॉफी के. टी एंड कॉफी, दीज क्रॉप्स आर कॉल्ड प्लांटेशन क्रॉप और हिल्स माउंटेन क्रॉप. Suppose these areas are the mountain, this mountain slope, tea and coffee garden is very famous. Mountainous region, this gentle slope area, farmer develop the terrace farming. Small piece of land create, develop, and this garden plantation of tea and plantation of coffee. मतलब mountain के slope में tea और coffee के garden है. You look at some important images, search Google and YouTube. There is a lot of plantation, tea and coffee plantation images available, and there are lot of information available on the internet. Understood?
Yes.
माउंटेन के स्लोप में टी और कॉफी अवेलेबल है और वो सुटेबल क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन है टी और कॉफी के लिए. रेनी सीजन, cold, humid and hot, at that type climatic condition is very good, suitable of the tea and coffee crop. Understood?
Yes.
Next crop, jute. It is called the golden fiber of India. It is cultivated mainly in Bengal, Assam and Odisha. It is used for making uni bags and carpets. Jute crop. The largest producer state of jute is Odisha, and jute is also called the golden fiber of India. जैसे क्रूड ऑयल में पेट्रोलियम को बोला जाता है, पेट्रोलियम इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द गोल्डन ऑयल. सेम थिंग, jute is also called the golden fiber of India. Carpets, bags and all kitchenware material develop use of this jute crop. ये jute crop एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल, डिजाइन का मटेरियल, बैग का मटेरियल, कारपेट का मटेरियल, ये इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज्यादा फेमस है, इसलिए इनको गोल्डन फाइबर बोला जाता है. वेस्ट बंगाल, असम एंड ओडिशा, these states are the leading producer of jute crop. ये 3 स्टेट में जूट के जो क्रॉप है वो हमें दिखाई देता है. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, स्पेसीज मीन्स मसाले. ओके, इंडिया इज नोन फॉर इट्स स्पेसीज लाइक ब्लैक पेपर, द कार्डमम, क्लोव्स, चिलीज, जिंजर एटसेट्रा. द मलबार कोस्टल एरिया इन केरला and Karnataka are the main producer of species. मसाले, इंडिया में बहुत मसाले फेमस है. केरला और कर्नाटका, मलबार कोस्ट located in the western coastal area. You already learned in last year. Suppose this is southern part of India, outline map of India, only southern part. There is a 2 coastal plains. India there is a 2 coastal plain. One is western coastal plain and another is eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain divided 2 small plain. For example, Konkan area, and another is Malabar. This Malabar coastal plain means Kerala and Karnataka. This coastal region is very famous for this species crop. मसाले की पदार्थ यहाँ पे ज्यादा डेवलप है इंडिया में. वेस्टर्न कोस्टल, मलाबार कोस्टल में केरला एंड कर्नाटका. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Because the coastal areas are located humid climate near the coastal area, total humid climate, and humid climate is very suitable on that crop. Understood? Next point, development of agriculture. In the last 50 years, our country has made a great progress in the production of crop. This big success in agriculture is called the Green Revolution. Dear student, before 1960, there is a very poor condition in agriculture, total agriculture. But 1960, there is a one method, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. According to the Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, there is a modern technique available in agriculture. For example, HYV. This is a very good concept. HYV. High yielding variety crop developed in the Indian subcontinent. Pesticide, then hybrid seeds, irrigation facility, drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, these methods are used in India and farmers are educated. Today, over all India, farmers are educated and these educated farmers use modern machinery, modern technique. पहले पुराने जमाने में मशीनरी अवेलेबल नहीं थे, ट्रैक्टर नहीं थे, हार्वेस्टर नहीं थे, तो पूरे लोग एग्रीकल्चर में खेत में काम करते थे, इसलिए प्रोडक्शन बहुत कम था. हमारे इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन इतनी कम थी फिर भी लोगों को खाने के लिए नहीं मिलता था फूड. लेकिन आज इतनी जनसंख्या इतनी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई, फिर भी पूरी इंडिया को खाने के लिए अवेलेबल है. नॉट ओनली इंडिया, बट इंडिया इज अ लीडिंग एक्सपोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. हम जो भी कुछ एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट है, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट विश्व को भी देते हैं. जो कंट्रीज को चाहिए, फॉर एग्जांपल जापान को चाहिए, सऊदी अरेबिया को चाहिए, इराक, ईरान, श्रीलंका, मलेशिया, सिंगापुर, ये कंट्रीज को हम इंडिया एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, मतलब उनको देते हैं. मतलब हमारे इंडिया के लिए भी अवेलेबल है. इतनी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई, फिर भी इंडिया को खाने के लिए सब लोगों को अवेलेबल है. दिस ऑल द डेवलपमेंट, इट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन. ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स हरित क्रांति. ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स हरित क्रांति. 50 ईयर के बाद, अभी लास्ट 50 साल में हमारे इंडिया में एग्रीकल्चर बहुत डेवलप हो गई. ये एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट को बोला जाता है ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन. हाइब्रिड सीड्स आर डेवलप, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स आर डेवलप, irrigation facility much more developed, farmer use tractors, harvesters and other machinery. These machineries are very good for the production of agriculture. इसीलिए एग्रीकल्चर में बहुत डेवलपमेंट हुआ है अभी. This has been made possible because of the increasing use of fertilizers, manners, insecticides and pesticides. The facilities of irrigation have increased. We are now using better quality of seeds. We are presently using better tools and implements like tractors and harvesters in our farms. More agriculture institutes have been set up. Research programs have been undertaken to train people in the modern methods of agriculture. Today, there is a new institutes are developed in agriculture-based industry. For example, Maharashtra, Ahmednagar district, Rahuri, near Rahuri, there is an agriculture university, Mahatma Phule Krishi University, Rahuri. Okay, that type agriculture university and research centers are developed in overall India. These research center, these trained people, these educated people guide, train for the overall farmer. वो एजुकेटेड लोग जो पीपल है, इंस्टीट्यूट में जो लोग हैं, वो लोग रिसर्च कर रहे हैं. रिसर्च मतलब एग्रीकल्चर में कौन से सीड ज्यादा डेवलप है, कौन से सीड से हमें ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन मिलेगा, ये रिसर्च करने के बाद वो लोग फार्मर को ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई द एग्रीकल्चर इज मच मोर डेवलप्ड. एंड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, फॉर एग्जांपल sugar is a cash crop, sugarcane is a cash crop. Sugar industry, near the sugarcane crop, these surrounding area, sugarcane factories are developed. These factories are much more modern as far as concerned in 1960. उस जमाने का अभी कल और 2021 का अगर हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो एग्रीकल्चर में बहुत डेवलपमेंट है. There are lot of machinery and modern techniques available. Institutes are available. These research center, new methods, search and correlation from the other countries. For example, Brazil, Argentina, Germany, Canada. These countries are the developed for the agriculture. Indian scientists research methodology correlated for the these developed country, and this new machinery, new technique available in Indian farmer. वो टेक्निक हमारे इंडियन फार्मर को अभी अवेलेबल हुई है, इसलिए इंडिया का एग्रीकल्चर मच मोर डेवलप एज पर एज कंसर्न लास्ट 50 ईयर. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Yes. Dear student, today we discuss about food crop and cash crop. Okay, cash crop, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, jute. These are the cash crop available in India. India is a leading producer of this cash crop. And another cash crop, for example, apple, okay, grape, onion, orange, that type food cash crop in India. But we discuss only major or important cash crop. Okay, and today we discuss last point, development of agriculture. Last 50 years, Green Revolution. After the Green Revolution, India is independable of over all the food and vegetables and related to the agriculture product. Understood? Last point remaining, livestock. Dear student, this point we will discuss in next online lecture. Okay? Thank you. Take care.